Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and I'm wearing the most beautiful summer dress I've ever worn. It's back from Bali, and I'm obsessed with this dress. So first of all, what attracted me was the beautiful embroidery all over the dress. I just love the attention to detail, and the embroidery is so well done. Not one stitch or thread has come loose. I'm really quite impressed. I love the color combination. This just screams vacation, doesn't it? So I feel like all the other options as well are so perfect for that beach vacation. Anywhere tropical, you'll fit right in. I initially was really impressed with this dress because of the long sleeves, and I love the bell sleeve. I think it's such a beautiful 70s detail. Sometimes when I'm out in the sun, I don't always want to tan my whole body, so I love the fact that they had long sleeves, but the fabric is so breathable, it's so comfortable. I didn't feel overheated. I love how this rayon is locally sourced in Indonesia and sustainably produced, and I just feel so comfortable in this dress. I initially thought I was just gonna wear it as a beach cover-up, but as soon as I received it and I saw how great quality it was and how elegant it was, I was like, nope, I can definitely dress this dress up with jewelry, with heels, and I can wear it in a more formal setting. So this is such a versatile dress. I've gotten so many compliments on it, and I feel like it's a dress that will take you from year to year because it is so timeless and it is so elegant. And you can wear it when you're at home in the summer to a barbecue, you could wear it to a wedding, you could just wear it running errands because it's so comfortable and it's just so beautiful. I love the tiered look. I'm 5'4" and 140 pounds and I'm wearing a size small. Fits me perfectly. I have no complaints about this dress. You will love it as well, I promise. And that's my point of view.